Welcome back everyone to part 2 of our styling tutorial. Today we're going to be styling our table, so let's just get straight into it. We gave our table a class of statistics, so we're going to do dot statistics to style it. And what I want for this table is I want the last letter of each statistic to line up. So the last letter of best, worst, medium, average, all going down. I want them to line up. And I also want the same thing with the time that's here as well. I want the last digit to line up. So we can do that by doing text align right. You can save that. And there we go. We see we have the last letter of each lining up and also the last digit lining up. Cool. Okay. Now what I want to do is increase the height between the lines because they're all pretty close together. We can do that by going line height. We can do something like 1.4 and we'll save that. There we go. It's a bit more space between each statistic. And what I want to do now is the statistics table and the ordered list of sols is pretty close. So I want to add a bit of padding between them. So I can do padding right as equal to 30 pixels. And because it's in a flex box, it's not going to move sols 30 pixels to the right. It'll actually separate them 15 pixels each. So we can do that, and they've separated apart a bit better, which is good. Cool. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want a bit more space between the just some more space here between the statistic and the statistic time. So we can do that by going table header, position, relative, and right 10 pixels. So basically this is kind of like saying the original position it was in is the position that this is referring to, and I want that position to be 10 pixels to the right of the text, which effectively is just moving our text 10 pixels to the left. Yeah, so I think that looks good. Just let me see if I can get rid of this, it might look a bit better. Is this 9.9? Go, Control S. Yeah, okay, I think that looks good. Okay, lastly for the table, I want to style the header for it. For the table it's the caption, so we're going to be styling the caption. And I want there to be a bit more space between the heading here and our first statistic. So we can do padding bottom 15 pixels. Yeah, might be a bit too far. We'll do like 13 pixels. Okay, so we've got 13 pixels. Yeah, that's close enough. What I want to do now is make the text bold. The caption bold, and I want to put an underline on it. So we can do font weight bold, save that. Yep, and just put a little underline underneath. Text decoration, underline. Save that. Cool. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it for now. The next tutorial we'll get onto the making the list look nice. And yeah, catch you in the next tutorial.